Greetings everyone, Prairie here. Welcome to the Demohub. Today we're going to demo Datameer. Datameer is a modern analytics platform built for Snowflake. Datameer helps with self-service data exploration, preparation, visualization, cataloging, and more specialized on the Snowflake environment. To access Datameer, you're going to come to the browser and log in. Once we log in into Datameer, we're welcome with a canvas that looks like this. To the right side is the profile, not much to see there. Besides that is the configurations tabs. This is where you get to connect to your Snowflake instance for use in Datameer. For the demo today, we're leveraging the Sandbox Snowflake account provided by Datameer in the trial instance. For your own scenario, you'll be connecting to your Snowflake account. In here, you can authenticate using username and password or leverage SSO to log in. Next is the glossaries. The glossaries allows you to manage a catalog of terms relevant to your business or your organization. Here we can add a new term and give it a category. This could be a Datameer concept or an abbreviation. Let's make this an abbreviation. We have a term named GAPT and a description to go along with that term. Think about this as a glossary of your commonly used terms and business vocabulary relevant to your teams. Next is the properties. A properties is a collection of assets. We have a schema and give it a property name, sales data. And these properties can be customized unique to your account. Last piece is the users. This is where you're going to manage your user profiles and accounts. Going back to the main canvas, projects are at the core of what Datameer does. In here, create a new project, give it a name. We have a blank canvas ready to build. The main key of Datameer is doing exploratory analytics in a visual experience. We're going to see how to do that. Here, you can upload a CSV of data you have. We have a CSV file that looks like this. Select a destination schema for that CSV or assign it into the public default schema in this demo environment. Just like that, we have our file uploaded into our Snowflake instance. In some sense, Datameer could be a lightweight ETL tool for your analyst community looking to quickly upload data into your Snowflake environment for quick analysis. Let's go ahead and delete that. If you have a Snowflake account connected, we're going to see the Snowflake environment showing up here with all the tables and the schemas to which my profile have access to. In this case, we're looking at the Sandbox Snowflake environment provided by Datameer in this trial account. Here we see our customers, orders, suppliers, regions, paths, loans, and other supporting dimensions to help with that analysis. In the middle of the screen is a canvas, and this is where we do work. We can drag and drop things into the canvas, or we can write SQL. So let's say we want to understand the orders that are being placed by our customers. To understand our customers and the orders they're placing in a visual experience, the first thing we're going to do is drag the customer data over into the canvas. Now we've established the customer data in the canvas. Let's move that to the left. Next, we're going to go in and bring the orders data into the canvas. And we can expand this to have more real estate to work with. We have our customers and we have our orders showing up visually. Below, each selection gives us a wealth of metadata about the object we're working with. For our customers, we can quickly see a profile of the data in that table. For our orders, we can also see a profile of the data in that table. We can look at the columns, we can profile the data to see the specific columns and attributes that are available within that. Calculating that gives us some insight into the unique distribution of our data, mean values, max values, averages, unique values, null values. Really good metadata to understand what's happening with the data we're looking to work with. On the right side is more details around the specific objects we're selecting. If we're working with customers, we can see the source of the customer data. If we're working with others, we can see the source of the others' data. We can add some descriptions and metadata to go with that. Let's say our goal is to understand the orders our customers are placing. To do that, we're going to click on the plus button, and there is a library of recipes that are available. You can either write SQL using the SQL view to put in your custom SQL, but if your experience is as a non-SQL developer and you want to use a visual experience, we can go back and do this visually. We're going to click on plus, click on join, and on the right side we see the source of our join. We can select the table we join into. What kind of join are we trying to perform? You can do an outer join, an outer right join, or a full outer join, depending on your use case. And suggestions can be provided too as well. Now, what columns are we going to join by? Again, my persona is as an analyst who doesn't want to write SQL and I prefer a more visual interface. Here we're going to select our customer key, because I know that key is common across both, and we're going to select our customer key from the orders table. Just like that, we've joined our customers table to our orders table. Now let's apply this. Now we have both tables joined, resulting in an output. With our join completed, we can see we're building now a list of recipes that is available within our transformations. Let's add another recipe in here. And this recipe, we can either do more joins, more aggregations, pivoting, extracting data, filtering data, depending on your need. But let's look at the formula builder. What the formula builder does is it allows us a library of functions to which we can apply to specific columns or to specific data sets. In this case, we're going to take a look at the string functions. There are conditionals, there are context, conversions, date time, numeric, but string is what is of interest to us. Let's take a look at the string function to do a lower. I'm going to apply this specific function. We can either derive a new column leveraging the function, or we can insert that function to an existing column. Let's pick a column here that says address and insert this function into this column to lower. Now we have this to lower. Let's apply the formula. And all our strings have been converted to lower, and we can apply that. Now we have a new step in our recipe. And as you can imagine, building up these recipes now gives you a playbook to work with. We can add as many recipes as we want. When done, we can either deploy this as a view that takes the visual experience we've created and persist the data as a view in Snowflake without materializing the results, or we can deploy it as a table. Let's deploy this as a view and give it the name customer orders. This initial deployment with some notes would be relevant, and let's go ahead and deploy. Just like that, we now have brought in our orders, our customers, we've done some joins, we've built some recipes on this in a visual experience, and we've persisted the result as a view within Snowflake. On my left side, there is a view we've created that has a join. Of course, we haven't done much with this, but just to give you an idea, a join of our customers and our orders, and we can use this for further processing downstream. The beauty is we've done all this without writing a single line of SQL. So you can imagine an analyst who doesn't want to write SQL having a visual experience, a recipe-based experience could be relevant for that analyst. There you have it, a taste of what Datameer can do. A visual experience for exploring, preparing your data on Snowflake without writing SQL, or with writing SQL if you choose to. The beauty of this tool is all of this pushes that compute down into Snowflake. Your data never leaves. All of these recipes gets converted to SQL, and that SQL is executed on Snowflake. Last but not least to call out on Datameer is the cataloging capability, and we're going to take a look at that. Go back to our main page. We select our project. On the right side, click on the specific object of interest. Let's say customer orders. expand that, preview the data, get some information about it, add a description of what this is all about, or we can add a comment too as well, so the next developer coming in understand what this project is all about. I hope this was helpful to you, giving a quick experience and idea of Datameer. Datameer is a modern analytics platform built for Snowflake. Datameer has been around for a while. I've been exposed to Datameer back when Datameer was targeted at Hadoop, and Datameer seems to have pivoted and is available on Snowflake. If you're looking for a modern data tool for self-service visual experience to explore, analyze, and prepare data on Snowflake, check out Datameer. It just might be relevant for you. This has been Fru with today's demo. Hopefully this was relevant to you. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave that in the comment section below, and I'll see you in our next demo of a modern data tool. Thanks for watching.